Manufacturing products in China. China is one of the leading countries in terms of manufacturing products. China. It has become a popular choice for many businesses when it comes to producing goods at an affordable cost and with quality assurance. This video will discuss various aspects related to manufacturing products in China, such as its advantages, disadvantages, how to choose suppliers from China, and much more. We hope that this video will help you gain valuable insights into the Chinese manufacturing industry so that you can make informed decisions about your business operations. Exploring the benefits and challenges of manufacturing in China. Manufacturing in China offers businesses a wide range of advantages, such as access to low-cost labor and materials, as well as a large and diverse consumer market. However, it is also important to consider the potential challenges associated with operating in such a large and complex economy. Advantages of manufacturing products in China. One of the main advantages of manufacturing products in China is the cost savings. Chinese labor costs are significantly lower than those found in other countries, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to maximize their profits. Additionally, China has a large and skilled workforce that can produce high-quality goods quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, there are numerous tax incentives available to companies that manufacture products in China, which can further reduce overall production costs. Finally, the country's extensive infrastructure makes it easy to transport goods from one part of the country to another with minimal delays or disruptions. This helps to ensure that companies can get their products to market in a timely manner, helping them remain competitive. Cost savings of manufacturing products in China. The cost savings associated with manufacturing products in China are significant. As mentioned previously, Chinese labor costs are much lower than those found elsewhere around the world. This means that companies can save money on wages while still producing high-quality goods at a fraction of what they would cost elsewhere. Additionally, due to its large population and strong economy, there is an abundance of raw materials available at competitive prices, which helps reduce production costs even further. Finally, many Chinese manufacturers offer discounts for bulk orders, which can help businesses save even more money when ordering large quantities of items. In addition, Chinese manufacturers often employ streamlined production processes, which can help to further reduce costs and increase efficiency. Intellectual property protection in China is an important consideration when manufacturing products in China. Intellectual property laws vary from country to country, and the ones in China may not be as stringent as those found elsewhere around the world. Companies should take steps to ensure their designs and processes remain confidential by signing non-disclosure agreements with their suppliers and taking measures such as encrypting data or using secure servers for communication purposes between parties involved in production. Additionally, companies should register trademarks or patents related to their product designs before beginning any production activities so that they have legal recourse if someone attempts to copy or use these designs without permission. Finally, businesses should be aware of their rights and responsibilities under the Chinese intellectual property laws and take appropriate steps to ensure they are adequately protected. This includes familiarizing themselves with any laws that may apply to their specific product or situation, as well as taking legal action if necessary in order to protect their intellectual property. Logistical considerations when manufacturing products in China. Logistics play a major role when considering manufacturing products in China due to its size and complexity. Companies must consider factors such as transportation routes between factories and warehouses, shipping times between different parts of the country, customs regulations, port fees, taxes, insurance coverage, storage availability, currency exchange rates, language barriers, etc., all while ensuring quality control standards are met throughout every step of the way so that customers receive only top-quality goods upon delivery. Furthermore, the costs associated with these logistics namely transportation costs and storage fees, is also an essential consideration. The company should consider the costs associated with these logistics, such as transportation and storage fees, in order to ensure that their product remains competitively priced. Risks to consider. Finally, companies should also be aware of potential risks when manufacturing products in China. These risks can include intellectual property infringement, forced labor practices, or environmental violations, which could ultimately lead to reputational damage for the company. Additionally, due to geopolitical issues between different countries and regions around the world, there may be certain restrictions on importing goods from China, which must be taken into account before making any decisions about production. In conclusion, manufacturing products in China offers many advantages. Cost savings are a major factor to consider when making the decision to manufacture there due to their low labor costs and access to raw materials. Additionally, businesses can be assured that intellectual property rights will be protected through agreements with Chinese manufacturers, as well as legislation such as the Foreign Trade Law of China. Finally, it is important for businesses considering manufacturing in China take into account logistical considerations before committing, including transportation infrastructure and customs regulations. Ultimately, by understanding these factors ahead of time, companies can make an informed decision on whether or not they should source production from this country. Contact us at www.tiroflx.com. You can find us on WhatsApp, WeChat, or on our website. You will find all the links below the video. Thank you for watching.